negosyo na ito, walang naging successful na siya lang mag-isa.
Happy 12th anniversary in Synergy! Happy 12th anniversary in Synergy! Happy 12th anniversary in Synergy!
Our dreams become reality. Basta mag-stay kung consistent lang tayo, stay committed, and never give up sa ating mga pangarap.
Tonight is not just a celebration of another year. It is a celebration of our journey, our struggles, our victories, and most importantly, the people who made this team stronger.
Years na tayo sa team natin, parang kailan lang. Success mo, depende sa kung gaano kalaki, gaano katindi ang taya mo. We are looking for more awardees, more Millionaires Club members, more car achievers, at marami pang magkaresulta under our team Synergy.
Knees are bloody from crawling on the ground. You never learned to love, and I think I get it now. You can run, run if you want to. Say it wasn't right, but you tried. Put the blame on me, but I know you. You can run, but you can't hide.
Minsan kailangan kang magalusan para maramdaman mo na masakit yung nagawin mo na yan. At kung bakit pinapadama sa iyan, para lahat ng lugar pinapakan mo na nasaktan ka, magiging marka yan sa isip mo na next time, hindi mo na nadaanan. At habang humahakbang ka palayo ng palayo at nasusugatan ka, pero tuloy-tuloy ka lang, magugulat ka one day, yung kala mong malayo ay malapit na pala.
Let us celebrate not only what we achieved, but also what is still ahead of us.